Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Today, we will learn how to download and install QGIS 3.12.3. That's the latest version. Let's get started. Let's go to our browser, tap QGIS, click enter, go to download. This is the interface of the QGIS 3.12.3. Scroll down. If you want past releases, you can click on all releases and then you click here. These are past versions. But today I'm interested in downloading the latest version, which is 3.12.3. so these are them. QGIS is standalone installer version 3.12, 64 bytes, and QGIS standalone installer version 3.12, 32 bytes. Depending on your operating system, you can download any of this. This is, so you click on it and it's downloaded. It has started download. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it at this point. And let's close our browser and let's go to our installation. I downloaded it on my downloads. This is it. You click on it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes. Click next. License overview, QGIS, exit, compression library, and all those other instant client, HDF4 library, all those things. Click on agree. Destination folder to be in C programs, QGIS 3.12. You can change it if you want. I will leave at the default. If you want to install this installation, select components to install. Alaska dataset, South Dakota dataset. Click all. Until the wait as the program has been installed. Be patient. It has extensive files and programs that it is extracting, so you need to be patient. It will be done very soon, so be patient. the installer will download North Carolina sample dataset. The archive is about 135 megabytes and may take several minutes to download it, so I'll forget about that. Corona dataset. Okay. I'll finish. So our QGIS successfully installed. Let's perform an operation to see what actually it is installed. So let's type QGIS. QGIS 3.12. Okay, that is it. Let me new project. Let me add some shape files. Okay. Properties and symbology. Yeah, our QGIS 3.12.3, which is the latest version, has successfully installed. Thank you very much for watching this video, and kindly subscribe to Learn Reality Console for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.